Former Mizoram Governor V.B. Purushottam has also resigned from his additional charge as the Governor of Tripura, adding to the growing tally of UPA-era governors stepping down under pressure from the new Modi government. However, Mr. Purushottam is not going down quietly. He's hit out at the government for politicizing the post of governor. But as Alok Pandey reports, neither the BJP nor the Congress are innocent of this charge.
6 resignations and counting. The latest, Mizoram Governor Vakkam Purushottam. In his resignation letter to the President of India, Mr. Purushottam said he would not take charge of Nagaland, a state he was transferred to a few days ago. The 86-year-old veteran Congress leader was sworn in as Governor of Mizoram in 2011. He had recently been handed additional charge of Tripura.
I didn't like the way I was transferred from there. Governors are holding a constitutional post. I believe that they can't be transferred just like clerks.
Mr. Purushottam's intended transfer was to make way for Kamla Beniwal, who shared an uneasy relationship with Narendra Modi when he was Gujarat Chief Minister. She was shifted from Gujarat to Mizoram with just 4 months left in her term. She took charge on Wednesday. But the resignations have once again put the spotlight on doublespeak by both the Congress and the BJP on these appointments. In 2004, when UPA 1 came to power, 4 governors appointed by the previous NDA regime were sacked. A BJP sympathizer went to court, and in 2010, a 5-judge constitution bench of the Supreme Court had severely criticized the UPA 1 government for removing these 4 governors. The same Congress now has said that the 6 governors who have resigned were forced to do so under pressure from the Modi government. And the BJP, which protested in 2004, is now refusing to follow the spirit of the Supreme Court order, which had ruled against arbitrary removal.
No, I don't see it as doublespeak, and I also don't accept the BJP being compared with the Congress. If a person chooses to resign, he's chosen to resign. There can't be further comment on it.
The manner in which governors have been arm-twisted underscores their undemocratic spirit. The Bharatiya Janata Party has totally and flagrantly disrespected both the letter of the law and the spirit of the Supreme Court judgment.
With Sneha Koshi in Thiruvananthapuram and Ketki Angre in Delhi, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.